Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'll be teaching you how to make base cream. So you're going to use 25 grams of emulsifying wax. After that, you're going to use 15 grams of shea butter. Listen guys, this is going to be sweet. Then you're going to use your favorite coconut oil, 25 ml. Beautiful. And let me tell you, almond oil, 25 ml. Sweet, amazing. Then you're going to use jojoba oil, 25 ml, and you're going to add 170 ml of distilled water, 5 ml of. All right, the niacinamide powder is to reduce the oil if you have oily skin. If you don't have oily skin, you don't have to use it. Vitamin E, and also if you want to brighten your skin complexion, you can also use the vitamin C.